How to follow creators on Twitch. Are guys facing issues to follow creators on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To follow creators on Twitch application, first of all, open Twitch on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for browse. Tap on it. After you click on it, write down the creator's name that you want to follow. Once you write down the name, the certain follower or creator will be available on that section. Now just simply head over to his profile and click on follow. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna follow creators onto his application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.